What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. You guys caught that video yesterday where we was in Miami sliding the dogs, man, but we have finally made it back off of vacation, man. We are back here in Houston, Texas, back here in my garage, man. I'm loving it. I'm feeling real good. I'm feeling revived, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it, man. You guys already know what time it is, so I'm just about to give you guys a quick update on everything we got rocking and where everything is, man. So before we get there, man, if you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win the whole Ooh and Ah giveaway, man, you guys know we are more than halfway sold out at this point right here, man. So if you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, all you guys got to do is head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go copy your Everything Regular wallet. The wallets is still $35, man. So get in while you can, because you guys already know what we got up for grabs, man. We got our 2020 Silverado dually truck paired together for first place with our 2021 CVO Road Glide. Yes, man, the bike in the truck. The bike will be on back of that thing when you get that. That's just first place. Second place, we got our wide body HELLCAT and our matching 2020 Road Glide special, both for second place, man. So not only do you get a bike and a truck for first place, man, you get a bike and a wide body HELLCAT for second place. Meanwhile, third place, man, you guys know we always got a Road Glide up. Now I got a few back here. I don't know which one I want to give up, but you guys know we do have a third place Road Glide. So if you guys haven't answered in for a chance to win either one of these joints, man, all you guys got to do is head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go get you an Everything Regular wallet, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway. I have not shipped out one wallet yet, so if you guys bought a wallet and are looking for it in the mail every day, hold your horses. You will get an email notification notifying you when it has shipped, man. So I definitely appreciate your patience. I have been working on a whole lot of other things, man, and shipping is really just time consuming, man. So we will get to that as soon as we finish off the main task at hand. But if you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate you guys tuning in. I appreciate your patience as well. You guys know I'm gonna take care of you, man. So with that being said, man, let's check it out and see what else we got in the garage and what update can we give you on these things, gang. All right, so first things first, man. You guys know when we left, we had everything stuffed in the garage. We had already went live this morning and organized everything, pulled everything out the driveway, got it back looking pretty normal. But however, front and center, we have our 2020 Road Glide special right here. Now you guys know this bike came with literally almost nothing on it, so putting this bike back together is a little bit more time consuming than everything else in here, only because we don't have none of the freaking well, all of the screws to complete the little stuff we need done. So a bunch of little things adds up to a whole lot. So if we don't got the little stuff, we can't make this bike look like a whole lot. Meanwhile, today we will be going a bunch of different Harleys, getting all the screws for this bike here. So when we come back and finish up our day later today, tomorrow we can start up and get this thing pretty much looking like a complete bike again. Because right now it doesn't look the best. It doesn't look the best. I can definitely agree with you there, man. Meanwhile, you guys know we have our 2018 Road Glide that our winner in Atlanta won. Now we was waiting on a few parts for this. The main thing we was waiting on was the tail lights, but however, if I click the light here, you guys can see the tail lights are on there, and this bike is pretty much ready to go, man. So we will be getting this bike picked up in the next couple days or so, and this bike will be headed to Atlanta. So I can't wait. If you're the Atlanta winner, man, make sure you got your phone ready, got your garage cleared out and everything, because we about to come to your side of the city and show out, man. You guys know what time it is. Meanwhile, we got our 2020 Road Glide here with all the oohs and ahs. We just finished putting this thing together before we left last week. It's pretty much the same yellow color as that, however, a little bit more Spanish goldish. Anywho, we did throw the freaking light Miami blue bike, the light Miami blue on that bike, and it's looking oh so good. If we take a look down here, you got the chrome daddies with the blue and yellow buttons on there, man. I ain't gonna hold y'all. You guys can have a shot at winning this thing for only 35 big ones. All you guys gotta do is head on over to everythingsregular.com right now and go get your Everything Regular wallet. We got the matching helmet to go with it as well. You guys know what time it is. A few more things we gotta do on here. Just gotta put this top piece on, and pretty much that's about it. Put the top piece on there, speaker covers, and the rear wheel, which is over here. We have to mount that thing up and put it on there, man. So once that bike is 100% complete with the turn signals and everything, we'll be worrying about a performance pack for that, depending on if we have sold out or not. Meanwhile, we got our 2021 CVO right here. Now, first things first, I need to go get a heat gun so we can take these letters off the side of this fork. Once we take the letters off of the side of that fork, it'll look a whole lot better. And then we can put this front piece right here. Got to get some more turn signals for it. Put the speaker covers in there as well. And then put the rear wheel on here. So a lot of these bikes are at the same stage. This bike and that bike is literally at the same stage right now. They're both at the same exact point. So that one looks done. This one looks done. We have our 2022 CVO right here that our winner in Jacksonville, Florida, Paula, she won this bike right here. So all we have to do now to this one, throw the turn signals on there, new crash bar, and then we have to put the speakers in there now. I did order the speakers for this. However, I haven't got a chance to check my mailbox yet, so they may be in there. They may not. If they are in there, we will be totaling that up, getting the speaker covers in there, and getting this bike shipped out once the turn signals are on there mainly. So this whole week is going to be a bunch of little things, but the bunch of little things will add up to a huge bunch, man. So I can't wait. I can't wait. This bike is going to be the main task. However, if you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win our 2020 Silverado dually truck, man, you guys know we are giving away this big daddy right here on the 6s, the 4G Autos itself, man. So not only are you guys going to be able to win this truck, you guys are going to be able to win our 2021 CVO along with it for first place. Now, you guys know we got our track hawk a couple weeks ago. I'll give you guys an update on that later on in the week. Nothing to update you here, but you guys do see our wide body Hellcat in the garage here. Now, you guys know we got a whole nother wide body Hellcat that we are giving away. That thing is actually in the shop getting wrapped. So I think today we're gonna go check out that Hellcat and get a update on that to see where we are with things and try to finish it off this week, man. So this week, like I said, is gonna be a really busy week, but it's time to get everything in motion, man. Let's load up, go to the post office, pick up that one part that we need for the Hellcat, drop that off, and go do an update video and see where we are with things, man. Man, we didn't freaking went to Miami, came all the way back, feel great, but the weather is not feeling like we feeling, man. The weather, it actually looked dark as heck out here, and it's only like about 11 o'clock, man. Pouring down rain, we gotta go to the post office real quick, pick up that part for the wide body Hellcat, and then we're gonna go check out that thing, and we gotta get a haircut, man. We look kind of rough, man. In order to like be great, you gotta feel great, man. In order to feel great, you gotta look great. It starts for me with the confidence from within, but if I know I look good, man, I'm gonna feel good regardless. So take care of yourself, man. Let's get this show on the road though, gang. Alrighty guys, we just pulled up to the body shop and all that stuff, man. We got our wide body part that we was missing right here. Let's go get out in this stormy rain and go check out the Hellcat, man. Juan, what's up, man? What's up? He said, what's up, man? Sound like you busy, man. God damn, Hellcat after Hellcat after Hellcat again? Every time I come in here, you got a whole new lineup of stuff. He got a whole new lineup. Damn, so that's how he feeling, man, or what? It's all chargers. That's how you feel. I finally see we got a whole collage of chargers in here. I'm like, okay, finally I see. All right, man. So y'all see here first, man. We got the wide body all molded up and ready to go. So they finally sent me the part, bro. Now, I hope this is the right part. I hope that's the right one, man.
It looks like it.
It looks like it, huh? Y'all see here, he got this thing all mocked up. This thing is pretty sick. I ain't gonna hold you. We got all the grill parts and all that gloss black. So that's pretty sick. We got the front wheels on there looking all good and mean. Got the side mirrors off. Getting ready to get wrapped and so on and so forth, man. I can't wait. I can't wait, man. You look like you swamped right now, bro.
Hell yeah, we got fucked up big time.
That's crazy.
Cars after cars.
Yeah, that's nuts, dude. That is nuts. Y'all see, oh, so this the color he gonna go? Nah. Oh, that's for the other one in there. Oh, okay, bet. Y'all see it here first. They about to start working on the back, I'm sure. This thing is dope. It even got the, they got the lower rockers on there. So that's pretty sick. Y'all see what's going on. They actually, oh, you guys took the wrap off the top too.
Yeah, they took off the wrap off the hood and the top.
Damn, and the hood. See, I didn't even notice that. Okay, bet. Damn, that's crazy. Okay, so y'all remember last time we seen.
We were meant to say, but they had like damage underneath their paint. It came off with the wrap.
Yeah.
I don't know how that's gonna look underneath.
Hey man, it's gonna look better than it did.
It might be sanded.
Yeah, it's gonna look better than it did. I got faith. I got some faith, man. So.
When I was looking good on the front, wheel tucks in pretty good.
Yeah, nah, it looks dope, man. It's looking dope. I really can't wait to freaking see the color on this thing.
Yeah.
Really can't wait.
Now we got the flare, we can start doing the back now.
Right. Okay, well y'all see it here first, man. I'm telling you, I have to come pull up real quick, get the parts in here. You know, I've been on vacation, Juan, so I was like, man, they sent the part they had to require a signature. I was gonna have somebody bring it to you, but they had to require a signature, and it's been at the freaking post office ever since. So finally made it back last night, man. It's time to get back to work here. But y'all see it here first, man. They got the wrap off the hood, off the freaking roof. It looks like a really nice different
And then we took all the glue you had left over from the old wrap.
From the old wrap, huh?
Yeah, they basically had like little gluey stuff.
Right. Yeah, it does feel a lot different now. I ain't gonna hold you. It definitely feels a lot smoother. That's for sure. That is for sure. That's sick, man. So y'all see it here first. It's probably another week and a half, 2 weeks, probably. So you know, he's got a whole bunch of projects in here right now, man. HELLCAT. Yeah, all wide bodies and wraps, man. This is actually the wide body that we seen over there. So y'all see it here. It's actually almost done. It's looking good with this color, man. I'm loving this Destroyer Gray. Loving this thing. So you cutting over here or what? Yeah. Was this a regular one like mine?
Same thing like yours.
Yeah. Oh, so you gonna have to do this to mine too. Oh, you did this to mine already.
On the front, yeah.
Damn.
And the back, we gotta do it so the wheels can fit.
Oh, so the wheels can fit. Okay, well y'all see it here first. So to get it looking like that, he had to cut and do the whole ooh and ahs, man. So y'all know y'all want any wide body action in Houston, man, or anywhere else, man, get your car shipped out here. My guy Audio Boss, he gonna get you right, gang. I ain't gonna hold you. What you got in here, man? This the you doing a wrap on this one?
That was the HELLCAT swap.
A HELLCAT swap and a wrap. So this one started off as a V6.
2010, I think, 11 Challenger V6.
Wow, 2010 or 11 V6 Challenger. Wow. You got the HELLCAT interior in here. All the oohs and ahs from the dash to the seats. Ooh, I see the supercharger poking from under there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, he ain't playing. So that's crazy. We could really make an old 2010, 2011 look literally brand new. Like a 2022 or something.
Yeah, this one customer had, they've been a year already.
Yeah?
They've been a year. I've been waiting on the customer bring me, you know,
all the other, because it's a whole lot of stuff you got to do to this. It ain't nothing you can just, hey man, let me just order this and it's going to be here in 2 weeks.
Yeah, this one we did the front bumper conversion, put the new fenders.
Yeah.
The back, everything. Yeah,
it looks good, man. I ain't gonna hold you. And they go in like a super bright color, so.
Yeah.
Wide body on this one too?
Not yet, after.
Okay. Man, he waited all this time. He might as well go order that wide body right now.
Yeah. And
go get it in while you doing it. But y'all see it here first, man. They got the whole HELLCAT in the 2011, 2010 freaking Challenger. That's crazy, man. I'm loving it, man. I can't wait, man. So you know the people are gonna ask me, hey man, so we know we got all the parts now. How long it's gonna be, man? But y'all, I don't wanna, trust me, I'm not gonna rush you, Mr. Juan. I just wanna let the people know what to expect.
Because the only thing you probably have to get for me is some wheel locks. I mean, some wheel lock nuts.
Oh, okay, bet.
I mean, I put some green ones
yeah.
laying around.
Yeah, I'll bring them back for you. Don't worry about that.
And the old bumpers, you wanna keep them, throw them away?
I don't need them.
Right,
if you can sell them, you can sell them. I don't need them anymore.
Right.
So it's all good, man. But y'all know I had to just come and check it out, man. We about to get this show on the road. Big SRT on the seats, man. I can't wait. Did we get the wrap color in yet? Yeah, can we see the color that we're going? Ooh. Let's see. We got the wrap. We got the color for the car, man. I think I'm going to show you guys the color right now. That thing is going to be sick. Can't wait. Let's see what we got, gang.
That's probably the same.
See, you got that Tesla all buckled up, man.
Yeah, Tesla's running right now smooth, but I can't drive it this whole few days because it's been wet.
It's been raining really crazy out here. Oh yeah, we can't do that. Yeah, nah, we can't do that, man. Y'all remember last time we seen this thing was like in pieces. Now it's like literally.
Now it's driving smooth as fuck now.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's driving smooth, but
he said, I can't really drive it how I want to yet.
Drive it to make sure it goes up 90.
Right, okay, got you. That's crazy, man. They said it's like a tornado warning or something out here.
Yeah.
You know, this is like my first real year out here, man. So,
for real?
Yeah, I'm like tornado shooter. I don't know where I need to be. I don't know what I need to do.
Now, for here in Texas, weather's crazy.
It's nuts, dude, huh?
It's crazy. One day it's hot, a few hours later it's cold.
Man, that's nuts. So what he do to his, man? He about to get a wrap on this one?
He actually got into a wreck on the other side.
Oh, on the other side. Uh-oh.
So we gotta get his Wi-Fi back together.
Uh-oh, gotta get his... Oh, yeah. He was trying to do donuts. He was trying to do donuts, go wide, and he didn't go wide. He was going too wide, put it that way. Went too wide, knocked the wide body off that thing, but he's still sliding, though. Y'all see where he at. We got ours over here, man. It's time to go yay. All right, so y'all see the white, man. Y'all see the white, man. Oh, my goodness. This is the color right here, man. Ooh, with the oohs and the ahs. Yeah, I'm digging that, man. Y'all see the candy blue on him with the oohs and the blues, man. Y'all know what time it is, man. If y'all haven't entered in for a chance to win, man, y'all know y'all can win this Hellcat back here, right here, for 35 big ones, man. Head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go get you a wallet, and you'll be entered in for a chance to win. Oh, this the silver that we going?
Yeah, with the side decal.
Oh yeah, y'all see the side decal, man, with the whole oohs and the ahs. I told y'all we had something nice coming for y'all, man, and y'all just get a quick little bar of how we coming. This thing is gonna be so sick, man. I can't wait. Hey, Juan, you got me excited now, man. Yeah. Yeah, I hope so, because if we put in a lot of work in this thing, you better be excited. Nah, I'm digging it, man. Y'all see it here first, man. The two-tone going on that Big Daddy with them 24s on chrome with the Corleone forges. Can't wait, man. So from here, I guess the next step, I ain't gonna bother you no more after this, man. I'm gonna just be patiently waiting now, man. So if y'all want to know anything about the car, bother my guy at Audio Boss. Call up, be like, all right, man, what's up with my whip? He gonna know exactly which way you talking about, man. So y'all see it here first.